the AvaDent Denture has worked extremely comfortable. I feel like, well, I know my mouth looks better than it did with my own teeth. And they've held up well, they clean well, they're comfortable. So I've been pleased, quite frankly. I can't tell any difference in eating the burger today with complete upper and lower dentures than 10 years ago when I had my own teeth. So there is no difference. The worst part about it is before, because the whole process is so smooth that you wish you'd have done it sooner.
For several years, I had caps and crowns and different things, and a lot of them started to fail. I chose implants because I wanted to maintain what I already naturally have. And my family members, they all say that it looks very natural. I can eat anything. I can chew steak, I can eat an apple, I can chew gum. I can do everything like they're my natural teeth. They feel natural, very natural. I absolutely feel that it was worth every dime that I was spent. I've spent more on less, but the results that I received, I would spend it again 10 times over. It was definitely affordable, and I would do it again. I absolutely love my AvaMax.
Before I got my dentures, I had partials, and the partials never fit right. My AvaDent dentures feel like they're my normal teeth. They're just like, I don't even know they're in there. They just feel normal. They fit tight. They don't move at all. Oh, I would definitely recommend this procedure to anybody who needs to have their teeth done. It's a step in the right direction. It makes your life different, as opposed to having cheapo dentures, but having AvaDent dentures, they just fit right in and they look good and they feel good. I think since I've had the AvaDent dentures, I'm a happy person. I can smile, I can talk to people, and it just feel good. And I can eat anything I want. I love my AvaDent dentures. They fit in tight, they look good. It's the best smile I've had my whole life. My wife likes the way I look at my new AvaDent dentures. Nobody should be afraid of having this procedure done. It's a life changer. If you have problems with your teeth and you want good dentures, the AvaDent dentures are the best.
My AvaDent dentures fit great. I have no problems with them. I don't have to use anything to hold them in. They fit great. They look like my permanent teeth looked. Yeah, I love it. I don't have to worry about them falling out. I don't have any fixident. They're there and they're tight. I eat like normal and it's just awesome. I love my AvaDent dentures. Yes, I do. They're the best, yes. And I get plenty of compliments. I love it.
The AvaDent dentures fit perfectly. I have no limitations on what I can eat. I eat apples every day. I've never in my life been able to bite into an apple. I eat ribs, corn on the cob, all these things that, I always wanted to be able to just dig in, but was too embarrassed to, because I had to manipulate it in some way to eat it, without hurting, or without, a denture popping off on one side. But I don't have to deal with that anymore.
It actually felt awkward at first, but then after I got used to it, about a couple of weeks or so, it started feeling more natural, more. Yeah, I can't tell that I have dentures in at all.
Having a prosthetic in your mouth is going to be different. It makes you think about everything a little bit differently. As far as these particular dentures, the fit and the finish, the quality of craftsmanship that went into making them was outstanding. I'm extremely happy with my AvaDent dentures.
I love my AvaDent dentures. They are fantastic. They fit right. My bite is right. There's no crossing over when I bite down. They're not trying to find one another. They just come down and they work perfectly. I put them in and I forget about it. It's wonderful. I'm eating ribs, I'm eating chicken wings, you know, whatever I want to. Yesterday was sushi, and so they work great. I love them. I'm just happier that I can smile. I had to teach myself how to smile. You get that, you know, that kind of look like that, and it makes me feel good, you know, and I just keep on, and then, you know, discreetly they say, "You got dentures in?" And oh yeah. So, you know, I love my smile. I'm loved to be able to smile now.
It's like you walk around like this all the time. You know, you're not hiding bad places in your mouth anymore. You gave me my smile back, and I'm in sales, and having a decent smile tends to help things along.
I just got my dentures yesterday, and I'm thrilled with the way they look. They look fantastic. And they feel great, and they fit perfectly, and that was, you know, probably the most important and most difficult part of the process, was making sure that, you know, I was getting something that I could live with long term, you know, without constant readjustment and realignment. Probably go back once a year and have it, you know, make sure that everything's in order, but other than that, I feel like I'm in the right place. I should have made this decision 15 years ago. I love my AvaDent Dentures. That's not hard to say. I was in tears when I walked out of the oral surgeon's office. I felt no pain. They were amazing. They used a laser and a scalpel. It's an automated process. And then this whole process is kind of been ongoing. So this was just something I did every week, was go to the dentist for an hour, you know? To now have these and be able to walk away, it's life-changing for somebody like me who's been doing the same dumb stuff for 20 years, thinking, it's fine, I'm fine. You know, now I realize I could have done this 15 years ago and been much happier and a lot less discomfort and eating a lot more comfortably than I have been. And now I get to do that. Now I get to enjoy that. I get to experience that moving forward. So I'm pretty excited.